showed up to Intrepid Salon. This is where I get my hair done. Christina was so kind to let us use her space. This is Bailey.
Hi guys.
What's your Instagram handle?
She Styles.
C-H-E-S. S-C-H-I-E.
I'm 4-E-S-S Styles.
I'll leave it right here. She helped me with my braid bar when we did a little get together here in Orem, and I just like adore her so much. So
Thank you.
She's gonna do all the things today to make my hair beautiful. So she's got a whole box of goodies. We have the veil.
All the products we're gonna use.
We've got it all. And look at her jumpsuit.
Thank you.
I can't! He looks so cute. Okay, so you're like, this is what I'm not good at, is prepping the hair. Because I'm too lazy for it. Yeah, it's like, no, I want my hair to last for like 7 days.
This is all like tons of product.
So you guys, one of my tricks that I do now, since my hair is shorter with my extensions, I have my hairstylist cut them when I get them because these are too long for my hair right now. And then the bottom one, I'll take it out and I'll put like marker, just 1 dot on the left clip. And then the second one up, I'll put 2 dots on this middle clip. And then the third one up, 3 dots on the third clip. And then the biggest weft, I always know what that one is, which is like in the top. But that's helped me a lot because I'll always put them in and then I'm like, crap, the bottom ones are too long and I have to redo them all. are you kidding me right now?
Abigail Smith, do you take Matthew Taylor Hoskins to be your lawfully wedded husband?
I do.
Matthew Taylor Hoskins, do you take Abigail Smith to be your lawfully wedded wife?
I do.
By virtue of the authority vested in me through the laws of the state of Utah, I now pronounce you Abigail Smith and Matthew Taylor Hoskins legally married as wife and husband. Abby, you may now kiss the groom.